Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this beautiful makeup look. This will be a drugstore friendly, beginner friendly makeup look. Everything that I will be using in this video, you can purchase at your local Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or at the hair store. So if you're interested in these videos, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Now let's get into this video.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they guarantee and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must keep thinking in my head like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, jam, jam. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, you get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. show me how you jerk off. Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like when you sit you when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like your hair rockin' from me. On the run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop. I can't help myself from feeling all alone, but you got me good, but you got me good.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy content like this, please let me know. I love doing beginner friendly and drugstore friendly videos because I'm a drugstore friendly girl. I am a budget friendly girl. I like good affordable products that I know I can get my money worth out of and I don't have to spend a whole lot on. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. Somebody requested this in the comments a few weeks ago and I was like, okay, yeah, that's something I can do. So I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. share it. Why? Because sharing is caring, and we're trying to grow our family over here. Comment down below and leave me a red heart if you watch this video in full, just to let me know that you are rocking with your girl and you are watching the videos all the way through. I hope 2023 has been treating you guys well. I hope you guys are living your life, setting goals, knocking them out. Don't forget to set boundaries. Don't forget to take a vacation. Use that PTO, girl, because their job is still gonna be there. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button if I hadn't said that already. Make sure you're following me on all my socials. They'll be listed down in the description box, as well as the products for this makeup look. Thank you guys for rocking with me. I appreciate it, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.